Hi, I'm Lisa in Hawaii. I'll be your teacher today. 知っておくととても便利なフレーズを一緒に学びましょう。What time are we going to arrive in Honolulu? What time are we going to arrive in Honolulu? いつホノルルに到着しますか？ What time is it in Honolulu now? What time is it in Honolulu now? ホノルルは今何時ですか？ Could you tell me how to fill out this form? Could you tell me how to fill out this form? 書類の書き方を教えていただけませんか？ May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen? ペンをお借りできますか？Is there anyone who can speak Japanese? Is there anyone who can speak Japanese? 日本語を話せる人はいますか？ It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. お会いできてよかったです。Let's hang out when we get to Honolulu. Let's hang out when we get to Honolulu. ホノルルに着いたら一緒に遊びましょう。I can't find my luggage. I can't find my luggage. カバンが見つかりません。Practice makes perfect. 毎日練習しようね。